Okay, there's a lot of activity that's going to be going on over here, from preparing the lawn with rototilling, and probably the most important thing over here is your irrigation. As we know, lawns, they only need about 1¼ inches of irrigation per week. And
now the fun part is cutting and rebuilding.
okay, so your head was originally way up there.
Correct.
And you're going to be bringing it about 2½ feet over, and it looks like you have an L shape right here. So
right, we moved the lawn area out to the sidewalk.
Okay.
And so I'm just extending this line.
And we're going to reuse these heads and risers?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Yes, everything's going to be reused again.
Okay, very good. So these are called street L's. And street L's are angles to where they have threads on one side, male ends on one side, and they have a female end on the other side. And you put 3 of them together like this. You have to use what is called Marlex material, and this black material has an oil that's embedded inside of it so that it could move backwards and forwards, and you never ever have to put any kind of glue on it, because we actually want it to move. It's not going to leak whatsoever because we're going to tighten it down pretty good. This swing joint is invaluable in the landscape. Every single head that you have must have one of these, because if somebody steps on it, you're assuring yourself you're not going to break it. Now, these right here are actually perfectly spaced out from each other. And the reason why they're that is because whenever we're talking about watering our turf, we want what is called head-to-head coverage. So the manufacturers of the sprinklers will tell you how far apart you can place these things based on the amount of pressure and water that's coming out of your house. So when this irrigation system turns on, this head, the end of the water, will go all the way over to that head that we just installed. And it's also going to be coming way over here to where Norm already finished doing the irrigation, to where he brought it right to the corner over here. Grass and turf is going to be put up against over here. It'll pop up when it's working, and then when it's not working, it's going to hide like this, and nobody will be the wiser.